Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PGA Tour EA Sports. First, let's cover the basics. To swing, pull back on the right stick and push forward smoothly for power and accuracy. Your club selection is crucial. Use the D-pad to cycle through options. For putting, observe the grid lines on the green to gauge slope and break. A gentle tap or a firm push on the stick determines your putt's distance. Practice these core actions to build a solid foundation for your game. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to master your shots. Apply backspin or topspin by holding the left stick up or down during your swing, affecting how the ball lands. To shape shots like a fade or draw, adjust your aim slightly and apply side spin. Always consider the wind direction and strength, indicated by the on-screen arrow, and adjust your aim and power accordingly. These techniques will give you greater control over every shot. Strategic thinking is key to lower scores. Before each shot, take a moment to analyze the hole's layout, considering hazards and optimal landing zones. Your club choice should reflect the lie of the ball, the distance to the target, and any environmental factors. Sometimes, a safer shot to the fairway is better than a risky attempt at the green. Balancing risk and reward will significantly improve your overall performance and help you avoid costly mistakes. Beyond the links, the game offers a deep career mode. Progress through various tournaments and challenges to earn experience points and in-game currency. Use these to unlock new equipment, apparel, and even improve your golfer's attributes, such as power and accuracy. Customize your player's look to stand out on the course. Compete against a field of 156 golfers to climb the ranks and establish your legacy as a true golf champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.